3D modeling is the foundation of animation. It's the art of creating digital sculptures. These sculptures form the characters, objects, and environments we see on screen. In animation, these models come to life. They move, interact, and tell stories. Think of 3D modeling as digital claymation. Instead of molding clay, we use software to manipulate virtual shapes. These shapes are called polygons. Polygons connect together to form a wireframe mesh. This mesh creates the surface of our 3D model. 3D modeling requires both technical skill and artistic vision. We need to understand how to build clean, efficient models. We also need to think creatively about form, shape, and detail. Ultimately, our goal is to create believable and engaging characters and worlds for audiences to enjoy. Whether you're creating a fantastical creature or a realistic cityscape, 3D modeling is the first step. It's a challenging but rewarding journey. So let's dive in and explore the exciting world of 3D modeling for animation. Before diving into 3D modeling, we need a plan. This is where concept art and references come in. Concept art provides a visual roadmap for our models. It defines the overall look and feel. This includes shapes, colors, and textures. References are real-world images or existing 3D models. They provide inspiration and guidance. For example, if you're modeling a human character, studying anatomy references is crucial. This helps ensure your model is proportionally accurate. Gathering references is essential for any 3D modeler. Look at photographs, illustrations, and even real-life objects. Pay attention to details like surface textures and how light interacts with different materials. By using concept art and references, we set ourselves up for success. We establish a clear vision for our models and ensure accuracy in our work. This stage is crucial for maintaining consistency and achieving the desired aesthetic in our animations. In 3D modeling, topology refers to the arrangement of polygons on a mesh. Good topology is essential for animation. It ensures the model deforms realistically when animated. Think of it as the digital skeleton of your model. Scale and proportion are equally important. They determine the relative size and dimensions of different parts of the model. Getting these right is crucial for creating believable characters and objects. Detail refers to the level of intricacy on the model's surface. This can range from fine wrinkles on a character's face to the intricate carvings on a piece of furniture. The level of detail should align with the overall style of the animation. Striking a balance between these elements is key. Good topology ensures smooth deformations, while accurate scale and proportion create believable objects. The level of detail should enhance the visual appeal without sacrificing performance. There are various techniques for creating 3D models. Each has its strengths and is suited for different applications. Let's explore some of the most common methods, poly by poly modeling. This technique involves creating individual polygons and connecting them to build the model's surface. It offers precise control over the mesh and is ideal for creating hard surface objects like buildings and vehicles. Box modeling. This approach starts with a simple primitive shape, like a cube, and then extruding, scaling, and manipulating it to create the desired form. It's a versatile technique suitable for both organic and hard surface modeling. Sculpting. Digital sculpting mimics traditional clay sculpting. It allows artists to shape and refine the model's surface organically. This technique is particularly well suited for creating highly detailed characters and creatures. Retopology. This process involves creating a clean, animation-friendly topology over a high-resolution sculpted model. It simplifies the mesh while preserving the original details, making it suitable for animation. Each technique has its nuances and learning curve. Experimenting with different methods helps you find what works best for your workflow and project requirements. Section 5. Breathing life into models, animation-friendly practices. Creating models specifically for animation requires additional considerations. Here are some key practices to ensure your models are animation-ready. Low poly modeling. Animation-friendly models typically have a lower polygon count. This reduces the computational load during animation, resulting in smoother playback and faster rendering times. UV unwrapping. UV unwrapping is the process of laying out a three-dimensional model's surface onto a two-dimensional plane. This allows for the application of textures and materials, adding color and detail to the model. Joint placement, joints, act as the skeleton of the model, enabling it to move and deform. Proper joint placement is crucial for realistic and natural-looking animation. Weight painting. Weight painting assigns influence to the joints, dictating how the surrounding mesh deforms when the joints are moved. This process is essential for achieving believable character animation. By adhering to these practices, you create models that are not only visually appealing but also technically sound for animation. This ensures smooth deformations and an efficient workflow for animators. Section 6. Your digital workshop: choosing the right software. There are numerous 3D modeling software options available, each with its strengths and weaknesses. Choosing the right software depends on your specific needs, budget, and platform preference. Here's an overview of some popular choices. Blender is a powerful open-source 3D creation suite. It offers a comprehensive set of tools for modeling, animation, rendering, and more. Its free availability and active community make it an excellent choice for beginners and professionals alike. Autodesk Maya is an industry-standard software widely used in film, television, and game development. It's known for its robust animation and simulation capabilities. Another industry-leading software from Autodesk, 3Decisicons, Max excels in architectural visualization and product design. It offers a vast library of tools and plugins for various 3D workflows. Cinema 4D is a user-friendly yet powerful software known for its intuitive interface and motion graphics capabilities. It's a popular choice for motion designers and visual effects artists. Each software has its learning curve and unique features. Researching and experimenting with different options helps you find the one that best suits your workflow and project requirements. Section 7. Mastering the craft: best practices in 3D modeling. Becoming proficient in 3D modeling requires continuous learning and practice. Here are some best practices to elevate your skills and create exceptional models. Simplicity is key. Start with simple shapes and gradually add complexity. Avoid unnecessary details that don't contribute to the overall form. Always work from reference images to ensure accuracy in proportions, anatomy, and details. This helps ground your models in reality and enhances believability. Regularly test your models in the context of your animation. This helps identify any deformation issues or areas that need refinement. Maintain open communication with animators throughout the modeling process. This ensures the models meet their specific needs and allows for adjustments based on animation requirements. By adhering to these best practices, you create efficient, animation-friendly models that contribute to the overall success of the project. Section 8. The collaborative effort: working with animators. 3D modeling for animation is rarely a solitary endeavor. It often involves collaboration with animators who bring the models to life. Effective communication and understanding the animator's needs are crucial for a successful partnership. Animators rely on clean topology, proper joint placement, and well-defined weight painting to achieve realistic and believable movements. As a 3D modeler, your role is to provide them with the best possible foundation for their work. Regularly share your progress with the animators and be open to feedback. This iterative process ensures that the models meet the animation requirements and any potential issues are addressed early on. Remember, you and the animators are part of the same team, working together to create compelling and engaging animations. By understanding each other's roles and maintaining open communication, you can achieve remarkable results. Section 9. Conclusion: embracing the art of 3D modeling. 3D modeling is an art form that requires technical skill, artistic vision, and a passion for bringing digital creations to life. It's a constantly evolving field with endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. By mastering the fundamentals of topology, scale, and detail, exploring different modeling techniques, and embracing animation-friendly practices, you can create stunning and believable models that form the foundation of captivating animations. Remember to choose the right software for your needs, practice consistently, and collaborate effectively with animators. Embrace the challenges and rewards of 3D modeling and let your imagination run wild as you shape digital worlds and characters that captivate audiences worldwide.